Optimizing sales processes with Salesforce Workflow Automation. In today's fast-paced business environment, optimizing sales processes is crucial for staying ahead of the competition and driving revenue growth. The benefits of Salesforce Workflow Automation. Streamline sales processes. Automating repetitive tasks such as data entry, lead nurturing, and follow-up emails can help sales teams focus on high-value activities. Enhance sales efficiency. By reducing manual work and increasing automation, sales teams can work more efficiently and effectively. Improve sales productivity. Automated sales workflows ensure that leads are promptly followed up on, resulting in higher conversion rates and increased revenue. Implementing Salesforce automation best practices. Defining clear objectives. Before implementing automation, clearly define your sales goals and objectives to ensure that your workflows align with your business needs. Mapping out your sales process. Create a visual representation of your sales process and identify areas where automation can be most beneficial. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce Workflow Automation offers a powerful solution for optimizing sales processes and enhancing sales performance.